Welcome once again. Here is Rajesh on the YouTube channel. So I hope that you understood what my language is, and if any terms or problems, here is the in descriptions that comes write the comments so that I can improve my languages and my my tactics as I'm teaching you and understanding you so that you can take the more and more advantage and profits and just again grounds in a particular area and fields. So first of all, I will try to understood you in biology. In biology, we are studying, as we know that we are studying improvement of the food resources. Improvement of the food resources, we have studied more about the cropping patterns. Previous day we have studied the cropping patterns. Now today we will discuss about the crop rotation. So here's the crop rotation. Crop rotations. What is crop rotation? Rotations means that it is the types of the practice. Okay, it is the types of the practice different. Different, so it is the types of the practice different crops are grown in a piece of land. Okay, so we can say it is a types of practice in which different crops are grown in a same piece of land. Same piece of land we are growing the same crops. Got it? So same crops is that we have to have a time gappings between the one crops and the two crops, but we generally grow these types of croppings on the lands in a piece of lands pre-planned successions. So piece of land in a pre-planned succession. Pre-planned successions means that after one by one, so croppings pre-planned succession. The crop okay, crop combination depend upon the durations. Okay, so crop combination depend upon the duration. Crop durations, you know that's durations. Time durations means that after croppings means that one crops are grown on a field. Okay, so one in which one crops are grown on a field, and further what happened further, so we will grow the another crops. Okay, and after its harvest, okay, after harvesting and after it harvest we grow second crops, and then after harvesting the second crops is grown on the field, and this can also follow on the fields, and this can also follow the next third one, and so on. These are the cropping patterns, and it depends how why means that if the one by one we are cropping here, growing here crops and different patterns and a different way. So first of all, so we have to understand that the conditions and the environmental conditions, moistures and the moisture soil conditions, and that's a nutrient capability. So so we have to it can also crops to be chosen after one. Okay, crops to be chosen after one growing crops means that crops can be chosen after once harvesting. Okay, after one harvesting, and it depend upon after one harvesting, and it depend upon the availability of moisture and the availability of of moisture. Moisture is soil moistures and irrigation patterns. irrigation patterns. And these are the crops rotations. Means that I hope that you understood the crop rotations and its a value and its conditions, that how we will rotate the crops. Means crops one by one. So one sowing the crops in a field, so we have to change the crops in our next times after the harvesting. So after the harvesting, we have changed the crop centers and then further grow the another crops and the next ones following by the next ones. So it's depend upon that. So what is the condition of soils, nutrient availability, moisture capacity, temperatures, and the humidity in the soil, humidity in the air, and the different types of the factor that are affecting also our crops. And thus we have to understand these croppings and the environmental conditions, so that we can understand that which crops would be better and give the high yields, and also have to take care of the pest controls and the different types of controls and insecticides, and thus and also seed. And it's a very important part is which seeds we have to grow in this period, because every condition, the moisture conditions, there are also different types of the hybrid variety of seeds and the different types of the other variety of the seeds is available in this cropping pattern. So one by one we are discussing here. It's one by one, so that's you can understood it's well, and also fulfill your requirements by patterns, crop rotating patterns. Okay, thank you very much for coming on the channel. Once again, I am giving you my warm welcome, so that you are also liking my channels, and also also giving such a focusing on these channels, and giving a such a subscribers subscribing my channels, so that's so you and for this one things I'm very much very much obliged to all of you that you are watching my channels and taking the profit of and making your career, and also more and more knowledge you are taking in your lives. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, bye bye.